Okay, good evening, guys. So, the reason for joining today was a new update from the PGCET board. So, they have released the PWD medical examination notice. So, you can just go through it, and those who have applied for the physical disability or some medical things, so you can just read through the notification and be available at the given date for the verification. Okay, so firstly the document is given as below. So in case for those people who want to just check it out in English and want to understand it, I have just used the Google Translate to show it out to you people. Just you can check it out here. Okay, so now it is given as PGCET 2023 medical examination for the handicapped candidates, those who have mentioned as handicapped. Okay, so it will be happening on 16th of November, 16th of November, and it is going to be conducted by KP Prada office, Bangalore. Okay, you can just go to the things, and what you need to carry at this point of time, you need to carry the submitted form for PGCET which you had submitted. That form you need to carry, the original admit card, whatever you have carried for your examination, and any of your government identity card, let it be your PAN card, Google, sorry, not Google, your PAN card or your Aadhaar card or your driving license, whatever is it, you can carry that. And post that, you need to carry the medical certificate given by the doctor, so which is going to mention about the particular disability what you are looking for. Okay, and those students who are suffering from hearing ailments or deafness need to carry the required certificates for getting it checked from either of the hospitals like Nimans or any government institute of speech and hearing. So you can get a certificate from there and you can carry it, so that you need to get it tested from these people. Okay, so these are the details given over here, so you can just go on this particular date, okay, to KEA on 16th of November, and you need to submit these documents and get yourself checked. Okay, so now I will just pin this document if you require it in the description, else it is available on the KEA portal itself. You can go over here and you can check it out. Under admissions, PGCET 2023, you're having the PWD candidates medical examination form available. Check it out and start um, collecting the documents if you come under this category. Okay, and others, many people have been asking regarding the results. Hopefully it should be coming by 20th of November, but still not sure, because some college results needs to come out yet. That's the reason that they are just delaying it a bit. So just wait. Anyways, you have waited a long, so just wait for some more time. It will be released very soon, and post that your counseling and other processes will begin. Okay, and for others who are still planning to write PGCD for the upcoming year, yes, we are starting a new batch. If you are willing to start the preparation or something, you can just fill up the inquiry form which is given below. So we will reach out to you and help you out in how you can start the preparation and what can be done the best for you. Okay, so very soon we will also be starting the online portal where you can access the videos and start the preparation live. So stay tuned, and if you are coming for the first time to this channel, please do like and subscribe, so that we will be coming up with a lot many videos. Okay, thank you very much. So we'll meet you soon in a new video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye, take care.